MINI-Engineering was founded in 1992. It is located in India and manufactures products in metal industry sector, locksmith works and the production of metal furniture. MINI-Engineering has a manufacturing plant for all types of locksmith work, cutting and bending of tin and pipes, welding, processing of powder coating and painting. An important segment represents the manufacture of industrial equipment and parts of equipment at the customer's request, construction of metal halls and their equipment, porches, fences, and so on.